Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I'm glad to see you all. Let's introduce myself. My name is Alvinisha Coronman. My student number is 58. In this opportunity, I want to talk about global warming. In my presentation, I divide into three parts. For the first is what is the global warming, and second is the effect and causes of global warming, and the last is about the solution to minimize this problem. As we know, global warming is the big problem that we have to face in nowadays. If you search in Google, you can find more than 70 million pages on result of this. It is mean that global warming is the most problem and common problem in this world. As human, we should face it, and then we should minimize this problem and maybe to solve this problem and stop this problem. But before it, what is global warming? Okay, global warming is the gradual increase of temperature of Earth's atmosphere and ocean. The simple word to define global warming is when our Earth become hotter and hotter day by day, and this phenomena can affect to climate change and then changes our environment. So why global warming is happen? Global warming happen when the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and also methane collect in atmosphere and then absorb the sunlight and solar radiation that have bunch of the Earth's surface. Normally, these gases, this radiation escape into space, but because of this pollution, such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and methane, it make trap the solar radiation and sunlight and make our Earth become hotter, and this phenomena called greenhouse effect. These gases come from smoke of vessel or smoke of factory and also burning a fossil. And many people in this earth cutting many trees and make a deforestation, and it is causes our earth nothing trees don't have many trees to absorb the gases, the pollution, and then it is influence a greenhouse effect. So what happens in our earth when global warming occurs? The effect of global warming, can make increase temperature of our earth and then make a melting glacier. When it is happen, can make polar bear die because they lost their habitat. Melting glacier also cause sea level to rise, and then it has become a problem for the lowland areas. Global warming also make extreme weather, and then can make many disasters such as flood, drought, and also the fire forest. If this phenomena are to happen, can make our earth and means our environment is broke and also destroy our life. Yeah. So what should we do? What can we do? As a inhabit of earth, we can do a small thing that can minimize this problem. For the first is apply 3R. Firstly, we can reuse a bottle plastic or a paper bag or a plastic that we can use it again who that we use it in before, and we don't should buy a new things or new bottle or new plastic or new paper bag to use in our daily activities. And then we can reduce by use less plastic and also buy some product that we can reuse it again. After that, we can recycle our bottle used by our creativity become a wonderful things. We can make a car, playing car by a bottle, and also we can make a bag by a plastic used, and also other things that can be wonderful by used things. And second is save our electricity. It is can we do by turn off our lamp or take our bulb by LED, and then also turn off our electronic device. And the third is minimize air pollution. We can prioritize to walking or cycling and avoid to drive a car or drive a motorcycle, and then use a public transportation when we have a far travel. The fourth is plant a tree and ask other people to plant it. Okay. As human, we are a leader in this earth. So we have a responsibility to serve our earth, our planet, that it is the place of our life. So act now to save our planet, or we can lose our life. Okay, any question? If you don't have question, I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.